everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shade smooth in Blender. By shading smooth, you can turn the sphere like this into a smoothed sphere like this, without any extra geometry. So, how can you shade smooth? One way to do it is to select the object, right-click, and shade smooth. And another way to do it is to select the object, go to Object, Shade Smooth. Sometimes, when you shade smooth, you can go to Object Data Properties, Normals, and turn on Auto Smooth to get this effect. Another way to do it is to shade smooth, then add a modifier of edge split. But sometimes when you add a shaded smooth object, for example a cylinder, the very small top, you get this effect. But to fix it and get this effect, we can add loop cuts. This is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.